2017 Range Rover EVOQUE, doing a differential coupling oil and differential gear oil in the rear. And just wanted to share some knowledge here. This is the pump that also includes the filter on it. So when you remove it's already unscrewed. So when you remove the pump, wiggle it out like so. Comes out, and see that opening there? That's where the filter is. The filter actually knocks itself off and drops in there. So you have to like dig in and grab it. Yes, there you go. That's the filter. It's connected very lightly, just by pushing it on, and clicks on. So whenever you pull it out, it just like knocks itself off like this. So don't miss that, because if the oil going into the pump is not going to be filtered, it's not going to last long. Yeah, so that's how it looks like in there. If you catch it fast enough, you're going to be just alright. By the way, the fill is going to be right there at the top. Drain is right here. Diff is obvious. Thanks for watching and good luck.